Hello everyone, Jess from Alaska. Update number 2 here on the window switch Bezels. I really appreciate everyone's patience. I've had a lot of people asking when they'll be ready and when I can post them for sale, and I am about there. 2 weeks from now I'm going to be putting up a third video, and with that in the description will be links to purchase the Bezels. A lot of work gone into these, and took a little more time than I expected. Kept running into some issues with the having some defects, so I had to do a lot of changes, make a lot of revisions, and a lot of trial and error to match that factory gray as close as I could. So I'll give you a quick little look at some of these Bezels and show you what they're looking like. So here we are. Here are just a few of some Bezels I got going. Got more than this. I'm trying to build up a little bit of an inventory just so I can meet demand. I don't want people to have to wait very long once I take an order. I want to be able to get them out in the mail as quick as I can. But I'll show you some of the stuff with these. So here's a pretty good set right here. The gray is matched really well. This one just came out. I got to clean up the edges and get that straightened up. These two here, you can see the color is off just a little bit darker than the factory. And these ones got a couple little minor defects. You can see right here, that little white spot on the corner there. Got maybe one here at the top. Hard to see here. Little minor defect in that one, and this one too, same thing, like right in the center there. Might be able to see it, two little dots. Those are also little air bubbles that got caught in there and made some defects out of those. This one actually had some color bleed into it. It was actually some oil I had put on my mold to slide them together a little bit better because they were sticking, and it bled into the material, so it gave it a little bit streaky color in there. So, you know, those are type of the little things that I've run into. This one here, you can see, here's the tabs, which will come it'll come with 10 of these with each Bezel, and to hold it in the door. It's kind of a stiff little foam, and it works very well holding those things in there. So pricing, I'm going to be asking for $35 for a single, $65 for a pair. That could be either a set, a left and right, or two lefts, two rights, whatever you may need. And then I'm probably going to sell ones, if you're not too concerned about the color being exact or whatever. I'll knock $5 off the price of anything that's got any type of a defect in it, like these where they got the little air bubbles. So 30 for a single, and we'll do 55 for a double or a set. Anyway, there we are. Kind of see where we're at. These ones I still have to burn the window icon into them, but other than that, they're almost ready to go and be shipped out the door. So hopefully you guys can hold out 2 more weeks, and I can get that video posted with the links, and I'll answer some more questions during that time if you have any. And I'll post some additional information when I do that next video. All right, thanks for watching. You all have a great day.